the school head of Osad Shonaho Memorial National High School, I hereby declare this school year 2024-2025 open! 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, everybody together, wave! Wow.
That is a way for one fantastic school year.
Do you hear me talking to you? Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Can I say something
I
crazy?
love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
I was the same thing, 'cause I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the
Thank you.
talking and the talking fun too.
But with you, I see your face, and it's nothing like I've never known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door with you, with you. Love's an open door.
It's crazy.
What?
We finish each other.
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again. Our mental synchronization can't help but one explanation. You
And I
were just meant to be. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love to be so much more with you, with you. Love's an open door. 몰래 줄게 사겨줘 That you Baby said that, like I'm so skinny, 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 skinny.
Go! Back! This is it, dear Chonians. One fantastic